Duol mochung' ne neno kanyo ne chike ge koti golo makare mageko mag nam kaachiel bende kod non arita kwe e nam manindo Kenyan Maritime Authority koro chako chenro nendo mar biro timo tiegruok ne weg yedhi kaachiel kod jolupo kuom thuolo mar mondo mi ober chenro geko mag arita kwe e nam Victoria. Chenro machalo kamaendi madhi muonyo kwan mag omenda maromo shillings bilion 4 en manendo madhi neno ni koro puonjgi kaka ginyalo tiyo kanyindo koda jakede goeko makonyo ngima kata life jackets kaachiel bende koda riembo yedhi e yo nendo makare kanyakla koda jiwo chenro goeko mag arita kwe kagitwak e gwenge eki ma Nyanza giyango ni maendi en achiel kuom chenro mabende koro dhi ting'o malo weche goeko mag lupo kitiyo koda kiluwa makare mar mondo mi kwan mag rech omedre, kwan goeko mag yedhi kata boat mathoth bende koro bedie chenro goeko mag tayo wuodhe kaachiel koda jiwo arita kwe gi ndiko tich bende ji mathoth.
We are here as Kenya Maritime Authority in the Nyanza region to ensure that safety and security within our waters in the lake are secure. We are spread throughout the 5 counties, that is Busia, Siaya, Kisumu, Homa Bay, and of course Migori.
You realize that over the past years, we have been having a lot of deaths in this lake. So many people have been dying, where they are doing their normal business of fishing because their boats have been capsizing, their boats have been having bad weather, the storm has been big, so it has been problems. And over the first years, we have lost so many people. Last year alone, we lost around 37 people because of boat capsizing along the lake. So when the project came up, it was an aim of the 3 countries to ensure that is Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, to ensure that there is safety and security along our lakes. The building you are seeing, which is being built, which will go to 4-story building, will be a building that will be coordinating maritime search and rescue operations in the lake, so that we have what we call quick response when there are incidents in the lake, so that we reduce the people who are dying because of things that can be avoidable. There are things that can be avoidable, but they are not being avoided because of poor response. Project is in its second phase, the first phase of construction. The second phase will be now equipping it with equipment, and then it will full run. This project will be coordinating communication to Mwanza in Tanzania. It will be communicating to Jincha in Uganda. One of the benefits of the project is we are going to ensure a safe and security sea. Our sea is going to be our lake is going to be very, very safe, so that if the lake is safe, we will improve on trade in the lake. The vessels will sail easily. There will be quick transport between Kenya to Jincha, Kenya to Uganda. This project here is going to create a certain number of employment. The estimated number of employment that is going to generate is a lot in the blue economy. Fishing will increase. Fishing alone is going to improve the number of employment to around 5,000 because there will be so many boats.